shall now listen to an important message from one of our Kinder 2 pupil, Alexa F. Macau, for her Thanksgiving speech. A round of applause, please.
To our school administrator, Reverend Haniang Chu. To our assistant school administrator, Chang Hee Kim. To our beloved school principal, Maribel C. Ibanez. To our school coordinator, Dali May S. Palasan. And to my beloved school advisor, Jessica A. Lacayana. Dynamic teachers and staffs, our dear parents, fellow graduates. A pleasant morning. I'm Alexa Bacchiano. In behalf of the kindergarten graduates, I would like to welcome and thank you all for coming here today to celebrate our graduation day at Happyland International School. For the school year 2022 to 2023. I remember the first day of school. I was so excited to meet my classmates and now they were all my friends. It was a very challenging, but I had so much fun learning new things. I learned how to read with the CBC words, diagram sentences, and I learned to dance, which is everyone's favorite dance is move and freeze. And I learned to sing in actions. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean and the deep blue sea. And I learned to write my name in cursive writing, and I learned to count numbers, simple and hard mathematics. Also, I learned to read and memorize the verses in the Bible and pray. I enjoy doing activities with my classmates. Lastly, it was a great experience joining the storytelling contest. I was so happy and nervous at the time, but still, it was fun. Today, I would like to say thank you to my teachers, Teacher Jessica, Teacher Cash, Teacher Che, for always being there to teach us, and they were all very kind to us. I would like to say thank you to my classmates for their friendships that made my kindergarten journey so much fun, especially to my best friend, Skylar. I still remember back then and all our activities. I could see all the joy and perseverance of going to school every day. I would like to say thank you to my mama and papa for always supporting and guiding me, giving my needs and loving me always. To my school alma mater, Happyland International School, for providing us with excellent Christian education. And most of all, I would like to say thank you, Papa Jesus, for giving me wisdom and strength. As we are moving up, I hope that we have a more challenging and wonderful school year ahead. See you. Thank you and God bless us all. Happy Graduation Day!
Thank you, Alexa Bacchiano, for that wonderful welcome message and for stating us